Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia, if you don't already know. And in today's video, we are going to focus on kind of straightening up my room and cleaning out the refrigerator. That's like my main thing, because it's getting a little smelly. So as for my bedroom, I'm really just cleaning the bed sheets, or washing the bed sheets I should say, and kind of vacuuming the floor a little bit, just so we can have it clean. Yeah, because I have carpet, if you didn't see my room cleaning video. So yes, so I'm going to start by putting the bedding in the washer, and then I will continue. So let's go. So the bed is stripped. I have these clothes on the floor that I'm gonna have to pick up, and also there in the corner that I'm gonna have to pick up. And the bed is stripped. The covers are washing, and I also have to wash this white blanket as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the clothes. Yes. All right, the floors are cleaned. All the clothes are on the bed, and now I'm going to vacuum the floor, and let's go.
Moving on to the refrigerator, I feel like keeping my refrigerator clean and organized is the most hardest thing to keep organized, just because you get more and more groceries like all the time, so it's hard to keep them organized and everything looking nicely. But in this refrigerator cleaning, I am not taking everything out like I did in my last video. I'm just going shelf by shelf and making sure I clean off each shelf with multi-surface cleaner and a microfiber towel, and then I'm just putting everything back the way that it was, and then I will organize at the end so that it can be a little bit more organized and I'm able to see everything that I have in my refrigerator. If you are still watching at this point, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope you are enjoying. I just want to say thank you and give a virtual hug out to you for watching my video today. any new subscribers that I may have, hello, thank you so much for subscribing. I just want to know maybe what types of videos you guys might want to see. I know my TJ Maxx haul video got a lot of views, so I might do another haul coming soon, just not quite yet. But let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. For anyone who has a side-by-side fridge like I do with just the 2 doors, one side freezer and one side refrigerator, do you feel like you don't have enough space in your fridge? Because I feel like that all the time. In our freezer especially, I feel like we can't like store meat or anything, or at least not too much, because we just don't have the space for it. So I can't wait to move so that I can get a new refrigerator, which it won't be anytime soon, but I just like to vent.
So I'm pretty much done with all of my tasks today. I'm pretty sure you guys just saw me pick up and vacuum in my room, and then I also cleaned the refrigerator. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope it came out good. I don't really know. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Alicia, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.